Hi, and welcome to this video on how to get out of debt as a single mom. Being a single parent can be challenging, especially when it comes to finances. But don't worry, there are steps you can take to get your finances back on track and become debt-free. Hi, I'm David, and today I'm here to talk to you about how to get out of debt as a single mom. Being a single parent can make it difficult to keep up with the bills and manage your finances. But don't worry, you're not alone. Many single moms face the same challenges, and there are solutions that can help you get back on track. So, the first step in getting out of debt is to take a hard look at your finances and create a budget. This will help you determine where your money is going and where you can make cuts to free up money to pay down your debt. Make a list of all your monthly expenses, including rent, utilities, food, transportation, and any other recurring expenses. Then, look for areas where you can reduce your spending, such as eating out less or finding more affordable housing. Once you've created a budget, it's time to prioritize your debts. Start by paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. This will help you save money in the long run because you'll pay less in interest charges. Focus on paying off one debt at a time until it's completely paid off, then move on to the next debt. It's important to stick to your budget and avoid taking on any new debt. Another helpful tip is to consider consolidating your debts. This can be done through a debt consolidation loan, which combines all your debts into one payment with a lower interest rate. This can simplify your payments and help you pay off your debt faster. You can also speak with a financial advisor or credit counselor to discuss your options and determine if debt consolidation is the right choice for you. It's also important to increase your income if possible. You can do this by getting a part-time job, freelancing, or selling items you no longer need. Every extra dollar you earn can go towards paying off your debt and getting you closer to your goal of becoming debt-free. And lastly, don't give up. Paying off debt can be a long and challenging process, but it's important to stay focused and motivated. Surround yourself with support from friends and family, and remember why you started this journey in the first place. With determination and hard work, you can overcome your financial challenges and become debt-free. That's it for today's video on how to get out of debt as a single mom. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or need more advice, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.